Hello everybody, welcome to Marvelous Studio 21. Today we are going to make nameplate. So first we will start with temple part. I've used a card holder and cap of plastic bottle. I've cut it into half. You can use anything other than this wherever your statue fits. Then I am sticking tissue paper on my wooden base and plastic base to give it a nice texture for painting. You can use small pieces also to give the texture you need. Let it dry completely and then start coloring it. I'm using various shades of blue because I'm making a sky background, so that's why I'm using various shades of blue. Sponge it because when we sponge it, the texture is even of the color. When we use brush, you can see the strokes of brush. Paint it 2 to 3 layers so that the paint comes out nicely. Then I am using molded for making figures. I have taken a printout from Google for a rough idea. I'm not having any carving tools right now, so I'm using various things present at home like pencil and pen. You can also use anything like that, matchsticks, pencil, pen. This dough is very soft, it's just like atta, wheat dough. You can mold it very easily. The only thing you have to keep it in mind that in 3 hours it dries completely. So whatever you have to do early. So mix it in small batches and use it. That's what I am doing. I'm using regular kitchen knife. If you have some molding tool, then you can use it. I fixed the temple part with a nail on wood. I've extended it just to keep some agarbatti stand on it. It is completely optional. If you want to use, then you can use, or else you can leave. And for giving better texture, I am using dental powder and glue. Make it slurry like. I've used CD to make pavement area. It looks nice and shiny. You can use anything, sand, small gravels. You can leave it as such also. This portion is for tree. Your names will come, so I am putting it like this. These flowers and leaves I've made, I've shown earlier in my other videos also how to make it. So you can follow them for seeing this. After drying, I am coloring it. This I have cut from mold. You can make it from flowers also and leaves also. I've used no stitch glue to stick all these things because they are dry. If they are not dry, you can directly stick it. It is having adhesive property. Molded. You can use M-seal also instead of molded if you are not getting molded in your area. I've made other videos using M-seal also. You can watch and learn from it. In temple area, I am using some glossy colors like copper, gold, and pearl kit collection of filigree. I have used fine brushes for coloring here, like number 2, 00 for detailing. In clothes I have colored, you can color anything else, just make sure that they are vibrant colors to make your nameplate attractive, because it will be on your main door and it will look attractive if you are using vibrant colors. I've done some lace work also, embroidery work on clothes. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.